Let me ask you something. What if there was a number that decides whether money slowly drains from your life or finally starts staying with you? Not $1 million. Not even close. Just $20,000. Sounds small, right? But here's the strange part. Most people below this number are playing a completely different version of life. Same world. Same rules on the surface. But underneath? The game is harder, slower, and quietly unfair. You might be thinking, okay, but how can $20,000 really change anything? It changes everything. Not because it makes you rich, but because it changes how the system reacts to you. Banks treat you differently. Lenders treat you differently. Even your job situation feels different. Today, I'm going to show you why. And I'll explain it so clearly that even a child could understand it. My name is Elon. And this is not about getting rich. This is about escaping a system that slowly pulls you backward. Imagine life is like a path you walk every month. Along that path, there are 5 traps. Each trap can take a little bit of your money. Not all at once. Just small amounts again and again. Here's the rule. If you don't have enough saved, the traps activate. If you do have enough, some of them simply stop working. They lose power. And that turning point is around $20,000. Let's break them down. Trap 1. The timing mistake. You're just a little short. You pay for something small. And suddenly, extra money disappears. Not because you did something wrong. Just because your balance wasn't high enough at that moment. It's small, but it repeats. Trap 2. The emergency loop. Something breaks. It always does. Phone. Car. Health. If you don't have savings, you borrow. At first, it feels like a solution. But then the next month arrives and you're already behind. So you borrow again. And slowly, you're stuck in a loop. Trap 3. The low balance cost. This one feels unfair. You can actually lose money for not having enough money. So when things get difficult, you pay more. Exactly when you can least afford it. Trap 4. The forced yes. Sometimes you don't have time. You need something now. A place to live. A way to get to work. So you say yes quickly. Even if the deal is bad. Not because you want to. Because you can't wait. Trap 5. The pressure on your mind. This is the invisible one. When money is tight, your brain changes. You feel rushed. You feel pressure. You stop thinking long term. It's like trying to focus while someone keeps interrupting you. You're not worse at thinking. You're just overloaded. These traps are not accidents. They are what happens when you live without a buffer. Let's make this real. Meet Elon. Elon works hard. He tries to save. But every few months, something goes wrong. A repair. A bill. A surprise expense. Each time, his savings drop. Then he builds them again. Then something else happens. And the cycle repeats. Year after year. His savings stay around the same level. Not growing. Not disappearing. Just stuck. Elon is not careless. He is not lazy. He is just playing a system where small losses never stop. Now let me show you what happens when that changes. Another story. Elon worked for years in a job where he felt undervalued. He knew it. But he stayed. Why? Because his savings were too low to take risks. Then one day, his savings crossed $20,000. And something shifted. Not outside. Inside. Suddenly. He had time. He had space. He had options. Within a few months, he applied to new jobs. He received offers. He left. His old job even offered him more money to stay. He said no. Not because he became braver, because he was no longer trapped. Here's the truth. Money doesn't just buy things. It buys time. And time gives you better decisions. When you're not rushed. You compare. You wait. You choose. When you are rushed, you accept. That's the difference. Before $20,000 survival mode, after $20,000 decision mode, let's make it practical. After crossing this line, you stop paying small penalties, you stop using debt for emergencies, your financial stress drops, your decisions improve, your opportunities increase, and here's the key. Your income might stay the same, but your results improve. Because you stop losing. Here's something important. The system is not trying to destroy you, but it is designed in a way that makes money from people who are almost okay. Not broke. Not wealthy. Just in the middle. Stable enough to pay. Stressed enough to keep paying. And that's why crossing this line matters. Because you stop being the ideal target. 3 simple steps. Step 1. Look back at the last year. How much money disappeared through fees, interest, and bad decisions? That's the cost of being under the line. Step 2. Start building a buffer. Even slowly. Consistency matters more than speed. Step 3. Protect your savings. Keep them separate. Make them harder to access. Not impossible, just not instant. That small delay can save you from emotional decisions. Let me leave you with this. This is not about becoming rich overnight. This is about changing direction. Right now, many people are not moving forward. They are slowly moving backward and don't even notice. $20,000 is not a dream. It's a line. Below it, the system pulls from you. Above it, you finally start gaining control. So start. Small steps. Consistent steps. Because once you cross that line, life doesn't become perfect. But it becomes calmer. And that changes everything. If this video helped you understand money in a new way, subscribe. Because the earlier you understand this, the easier your future becomes. See you in the next video.